Welcome to Once Upon a Mealtime. I'm Doug, your host, content creator, and this is my kitchen. This channel is dedicated to the special needs eaters in our lives. You know the ones, the precious angel that says she's only eating 15 calories a day. You can laugh that off, but what about celiac disease? What about gluten intolerance? What about people that are allergic to the nightshade vegetables? They can't have potatoes, they can't have tomatoes, they can't have peppers. How about all of the different spices people may be allergic to? And what about diseases that are actually helped by eliminating carbohydrates or upping the protein, or maybe a disease where you have to get rid of protein? They are out there, and those are difficult, serious, life-threatening issues. This channel is about adapting your recipes to meet those special needs. So hit that subscribe button, mash down on that notification bell. You'll be apprised of new content, and you'll be saying they all ate happily ever after.